I can sort of hear it, but we can check. It's a good one. My name is Aaron Makali'i Littorin. I go by Maka. I'm building maintenance up here at UH88. From IFA, we'll come straight up. I'm straight through here. We might stop at HP. Most of the times we do not. And we go straight up from here. Normally we would stop here and acclimate ourselves before going on and continuing to the summit. Summit is just under 14,000 feet. We're watching the weather all the way through, seeing wind conditions, ice, precipitation, all that sort of stuff, just making sure it's decent. Definitely gotta watch out for a whole bunch of stuff on this road. Between the normal potholes, might get a wrench or a screwdriver every once in a while. And sometimes we do have some vehicles that blow their motors, so just gotta watch out for them. Was basically like a high-end janitor, sort of just to make sure everything was clean. It was definitely a new experience, staying up there for so long. Definitely getting used to the altitude and like how it messes with your head. And brain fog is major. You don't really notice it until you're trying to remember something or trying to recite something, and then, oh, what was I even doing here? Like, it puts that like, oh, you walked into a room and you don't even remember what you came in for, to a whole different level. Go to the elevator. We do have a staircase in the back, but it does get a little winded after a little bit. All jobs sort of have its dangers, so I mean, with construction, we were going up on roofs and like not tying off, so we had our own form of scary times. Ice is definitely something we don't think about over here. I don't think much about it until I'm up here. Definitely didn't think we'd have to ever put snow chains on the tires though. Something to always keep in mind with coming up here is your health. Like always being in mind like, oh, I'm getting dizzy today, or oh, the headache's hitting me a little bit harder today, or all that sort of stuff. You always want to keep in check like how you're feeling that day. I got sick a little while back, and like right after I got sick, it got even worse. Like just noticing everything up here got a lot worse. So like just getting back to normal, it's sort of harder to notice. Be mindful of what's happening, because up here it'll change. Weather will change fast, or your health condition will change fast. You'll be fine 1 second, you turn around too fast, and oh, it'll catch you really fast. I am Aaron Makali'i Littorin. I am UPW.